How to upgrade your DT Swiss rear hub. First, remove your rear wheel. Set the wheel on a workbench, being mindful of your rotor. Pull the cassette straight off. Remove your old star ratchet and springs. Thoroughly clean in your hub as well as the backside of your cassette. Do not use degreaser as there is bearings. Grab the special grease that came with your kit and apply on all contact points of your new ratchets. Reinstall your springs and freshly greased ratchets. Reinstall the cassette, and it's that easy. Enjoy your new high engagement hub.